Over the limit, that does not always mean that you're guilty. Here's what you're going to need to do over the next 24 hours. The most common misconception that people have when they're charged with a DUI is that just because they might be over the legal limit, that their case is done. Or just because a police officer says they were DUI, that they must be DUI. There is a litany of defenses that a criminal defense attorney can pour through to make sure that the case is defended and to try to get that case dismissed. The biggest mistake people make is not contacting an attorney who knows DUI. They reach out to a friend who has a DUI, they reach out to somebody who might be in another area of law, and they say, oh, well, I guess I must be guilty, let me just go in and say that to the court. You shouldn't do that. You should contact somebody who knows DUIs inside and out, who can walk you through your case and explain why you can get a dismissal. A person charged with a DUI should immediately contact a DUI defense attorney. The longer you wait, the more evidence could slip through your fingers. You want to be sure to get somebody who knows what they're doing on the case right away to preserve any exculpatory evidence that you may have in your case. We get cases where the evidence seems stacked against our clients all the time. But our job is to go through all of the evidence the state has and find the problems, find the issues, and find why the state isn't going to be able to prove their case, because you are innocent unless they can prove that you are guilty. We're going to go through every single case with a fine-tooth comb. We're looking for those legal issues, we're looking for those factual issues. We're going to interview all of the witnesses involved in your case. We want to be sure that no stone is left unturned. And then we're going to be sure that we bring all of that to the prosecution and explain to them why your case should be dismissed. You definitely don't want to try to represent yourself, and it's almost just as bad to have an attorney who doesn't know DUI defense. That's because DUI is a specialized area of criminal defense. There are so many things that go into defending a DUI that if a person doesn't know about, they're never going to get to that dismissal. They're never going to get to a successful jury verdict. Reach out to the Nava Law Firm today if you or a loved one are facing a DUI and you do not know what to do.